As investigators warn everyone about the silent killer.
It does not smell like anything, it doesn't taste like anything, and is known as the silent killer.
A Shelby County woman is fighting for her life tonight after she and her entire family suffered carbon monoxide poisoning at their home.
Investigators want to know if the Agros are overwhelmed by carbon monoxide fumes from their SUV that was parked in their garage in Wilton Manors.
The running car leading to the carbon monoxide poisonings was accidental.
Police say a man left his car running all night long inside with the garage door shut.
You think your carbon monoxide detector will keep you safe, but did you realize that most detectors fail within typical garage conditions due to temperature highs and lows? Even if you are somehow alerted, you have no way of safely removing it, as carbon monoxide can poison you instantaneously if you are exposed to high enough concentrations of car exhaust. So ask yourself, are you willing to risk carbon monoxide poisoning? That one slip of the mind by your aging parents or forgetful teenager that leaves your family ending up as a tragic news story? Night Falcon eliminates the risk. Night Falcon plugs into the onboard diagnostics port that's built into every car manufactured after 1996. If you leave your car running in the garage for longer than 15 minutes, it automatically opens the garage door. With today's keyless ignitions and quiet engines, it's easy to forget to shut off your car. Night Falcon even sends an alert to your phone, letting you know there's a problem. Night Falcon, sensing through the silence and saving lives.